Okay, this chapter is all about Photoshop Essentials, and we're going to start with the most essential element of all, the interface itself. Make sense? We're going to look at it, check it out, drive it around the block a couple times, kick the tires, see if we like it. I think you will. Then we're going to talk about how Mac and Windows are slightly but not as different as they used to be, which is actually the good news, and I love Adobe for doing this, going out of their way to make sure the interface looks the same on Mac and Windows. Thank you very much. Then we're going to look at the raster versus vector controversy. And it's not so much a controversy as it is a difference. Photoshop is a resolution-dependent program, which means it lives and dies on the resolution of the image, and we will talk about the things you can and sometimes can't do based on the resolution of the image. And we're going to wrap it up with bit depth. Now, bit depth is the amount of color information within an image. More bit depth, more information, more color, why that's good and why sometimes it isn't. That's this chapter, Photoshop Essentials. Let's go.